Congratulations. You lot have made it to the second round of the cook-off, so you should be incredibly proud of yourselves.
When we both met you all yesterday, we couldn't decide. But we gave you all clear instructions on how to improve your cooking.
So this is your final chance to receive the much-coveted MasterChef Apron.
You all have 1 hour to cook your dish.
So you can start now, and good luck.
In her audition, Keelan cooked scallops 3 ways with frozen grapes, but the dish didn't live up to Nick's expectations.
I'm here to prove him wrong today and to turn 1 yes and 1 no into 2 yeses.
Hey, Keelan, how are you?
Not too bad, thanks.
Good. Is this dish going to wow us today?
I hope so. That's the plan anyway, so hopefully it goes according
Just
to plan.
do you bake the sea bass?
Yeah.
And why do you choose that method?
That's how I cook it at home, and I always like it that way.
Good luck.
Thanks very much, thanks.
Yeah.
Jan Marco's dish of gnocchi with fish eggs split the judge's opinion yesterday, but he's very hopeful today.
I feel good, to be honest. I really hope I will impress Nick today. And Dylan, of course.
Why have you chosen this?
Because I love hazelnuts.
You love
Hazelnuts.
hazelnuts.
Hazelnuts, yeah.
The way it is.
Okay.
That's the way.
He stayed traditional.
He's doing something that he's also grown up with, something that he's dear to, maybe something that he knows.
Hey guys, 30 minutes in now, so you've got exactly 30 minutes left.
25-year-old Christine impressed with her lemon meringue pie, but the judges were worried about her repertoire.
I'm confident in my recipe, so I'm hoping that this dish is good enough and has enough flavour to prove to them that my savoury cooking is just as good as my sweet cooking.
So this is something you do at home, is it?
Yeah. It's really, really tasty. There's lots of really kind of strong flavours in there, and I hope it's enough.
Cheers, Christine.
She's trying a savoury dish that she's comfortable with.
It's cookbook stuff, it's basics.
Yeah.
OK, guys, you have 10 minutes left. If it's not on the plate, we're not going to taste it.
34-year-old market stall assistant Claire Ann's Persian-scented quail didn't deliver on flavour, but she's hoping her calf's liver is enough to take her through.
I'm using Coco Chanel's idea. She always said with fashion, you should take one thing off before you go out, and that's kind of what I'm trying to do with my dish. Thought of all the things I wanted to put in there and then said, right, what's absolutely necessary?
Why have you chosen this dish?
I want it to be really savoury. Again, I've got kind of a sweet savoury kind of thing going in my dish, so I want this to be really, you know, a savoury. It's not going to be the sauce that holds it together. Okay. It's an extra bit, even though I did say I was trying to simplify it. It's an extra bit that's going in.
Can't help yourself again.
Can't help yourself, yeah.
No.
She's actually impressing me, and I'm intrigued again to see whether they're going to work. I mean, she's quite zany and quite sort of out there.
This could easily be
It could go wrong.
disaster.
It could go wrong.
You are all out of time. Will you please stop cooking?
Keelan has made baked sea bass with mange tout and spiced rice.
Fish is very nice. Rice is very dry. I like the crunch from the beans, but I actually just would eat the fish. But thank you.
The rice is very stodgy. I'd say to eat all of that rice in ratio to fish, I'd have to drink a bucket of water. So, yeah, okay.
Thanks.
Jan Marco's dish is Jandua chocolate and ricotta cheese tart with an orange and mascarpone cream.
Honestly, it's quite dry. I was expecting something else.
Would you sip a glass of sweet wine on the side with this?
Yes.
Because you need it. It's so dry. Ricotta cheese is not really existent because you don't get any of that flavour coming through. But thank you.
Thank you.
For her dish, Christine has cooked sticky Asian pork salad.
The only thing I would say is that I was expecting it to be sort of stickier, sort of more richer, sort of gooier. You want to be excited by it. That's all I would say. But thank you.
Oh. The pork is very overcooked. With all that Asian, it's 5 spice, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's a lot, so it's quite strong. Okay.
Yeah.
Dulta has made sea bass with laksa noodles and sambal.
I was expecting it to be very hot. It's actually not that hot. It's quite salty, in fact. Okay.
Noodles, curry, chili. I think it needs more sweetness. But ultimately, it's nicely prepared.
Thank you.
Okay.
Claire Anne has cooked salad of pan-fried calf's liver, chicory and blood orange with lavender and chili caramel and an essence of Provence herb spray.
You gonna spray me or that?
Not you. I am going to spray the food.
Thank God for that.
An essence of Provence.
This is.
Basil, lavender, orange zest. I'm adding flavour as requested by Nick.
It's certainly a very dressed up, humble ingredient.
Yeah.
It looks like Liberace dressed up. The calf's liver is beautifully cooked. Not mad about the chili. I think it's a step too far.
Okay.
There's definitely flavour coming through.
Great.
Again, I'm not mad about the chili,
Right.
but it definitely is a taste of Provence. So fair play. Thank you.
Thank you.
With no more that can be done, the contestants must now wait it out as Nick and Dylan assess their culinary efforts.
I am so disappointed at you.
I was expecting so much more of who they are as cooks to come out today, and it didn't happen.
This is a crucial part of the competition for them, and I think they let themselves down, and I couldn't believe it. What we tasted was awful.
There was more talent in the first batch
Yeah.
than there was in the second.
I agree. There's only one person in this room that listened to us.
Yeah. Where the rest of them are just not at the races.
We have 2 aprons though, Dylan. Who else would you give it to in this kitchen?
Well, we're not going to compromise. I'd like to thank you for your dishes today. We have 2 aprons to give away.
However, we strongly believe there aren't 2 who deserve an apron.
I think your wacky talent is a real joy to have in the competition.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank you very much.
get out of here.
Thank you.
Well done, Claire.
Well done, Claire.
I'm properly ecstatic at the moment. Dylan said that I was a wacky chef. So obviously the fact that I've maybe slightly left of centre ideas about food combining isn't a bad thing, and I'm hopefully going to hold on to that.
With 1 apron still to be awarded, Nick and Dylan are forced to make a call.
Not too bad, how are you? Yes, how are you?
Gentlemen, how are you doing?
Well, thanks so much for coming back.
For his audition dish on day 1, Pierce cooked a pan-fried fillet of turbot with cockles.
It's actually very bland, Pierce.
Everything joins together quite well. Yeah, I'd give you a yes.
In the cook-off, he made herb-crusted rack of lamb, but Pierce didn't quite make the grade.
Absolutely love the cooking of your lamb. It's exactly how I like to eat it as well.
Very much done.
It's going to be a tough call. And the apron goes to Grant.
Congratulations.
The reason, obviously, why we called you back is because we had 2 cook-offs. The first cook-off, sadly, we let you go, but the second cook-off didn't reach our expectation.
Which has led us back to you. We believe that you have the ability to move forward. So on that basis, we'd like to keep you in the competition. So I'm going to give you this. Welcome to MasterChef.
All right. Not at all. Welcome. You deserve it.
Don't let us down.
Give us a bit of magic now, yeah?
I'll certainly try my best. I won't let you guys down.
Well done.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thanks
Thank
very
you,
much.
Nick. Thank you, Dylan.
You deserve that. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Cheers.